Today, we're going to show you what to see in Torun in a day. We'll explore the best gingerbreads, visit Copernicus House, try gingerbread beer, and enjoy the sunset by the river. Start your day in Torun with a delicious breakfast at Monka restaurant. Next, head to the town hall, where you'll find the Museum of History and Art, offering stunning views of the city. Visit the Gingerbread Museum to learn all about the history of this dessert, participate in a workshop, and taste the traditional version of these baked treats. Take a break at the specialty coffee shop Napar. Visit the Church of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary was erected in the second half of the 14th century by Franciscan friars. Another must-see in Torun is the House Museum of the great Polish astronomer Copernicus. Looking for a tasty and thematic souvenir? Don't miss Iga Sarzyńska store. It's like the Chanel of Polish gingerbreads. For dinner, consider one of the historic local breweries like Olbracht, known for serving gingerbread beer and local dishes. End your day with a trip on a historic cargo boat. Travel fun with Vacation Poland.